Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share Windows 11, how to fix camera or web camera not working on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my Windows laptop or desktop, I'm not able to connect my camera, so I have given 3 tips you can use and solve your problem. First and foremost, go to Start menu in Windows 11 and just go to Settings option. Once you go to Settings option, there will be plenty of options will be available. Just go to Privacy and Security. Once you select the Privacy and Security, just scroll down, you will get option called Camera. Once you select the camera, every option should be enabled, that is camera access should be enabled, and what are the application you are using, everything should be switched on. For example, desktop app, web viewer, so if you want to enable means you can enable. So similarly, you want to access with your Google Chrome and all the things, you just enable this camera option. If it is off means kindly enable this option so that your camera will work for the first tip. And the second tips, just go to Start menu and in the search box just type device manager. Once you type device manager, just type device, automatically device manager will be open here. Just hit the button. So your device is not working properly means device manager has the control. So just click the device manager. This is the device manager. Device manager has all the options. Just choose the camera. Once you choose the camera, camera integrated will be there. Just right click on that and just click in uninstall device. Once you click uninstall device, just click uninstall. Once you uninstall, the camera device will be uninstalled from your device manager. There is no camera device is there. Again, you need to reinstall that one. Just go to action menu on the top and scan hardware change. Just hit the button scan for hardware change. Once you scan for hardware change, automatically you will get the option called camera, so that your camera will be work for the second tip. And the final and last step, just go to Google browser and search your laptop or desktop name. For example, I'm using Lenovo laptop, so just type Lenovo laptop camera drive. Just type that and you will get camera drive, and just go to Lenovo, that is official website, and just click the button integrated camera device for Lenovo. Once you click means automatically it will direct you to the Lenovo directly official website. So choose for the proceed for the UK or India, so change into India or anything else, just click the button and you will have a lot of drivers will be available, integrated camera drivers. It will be recommended to your laptop or desktop. Use Realtek so that it will be helpful and you can download and install means your camera problem will be solved in your desktop or laptop. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.